Hey guys, I'm Sarah and today I'm just going to do something that's like a really nice, reasonably healthy sort of a lunchbox filler, some Weet-Bix and berry muffins. So this sounds like a reasonably easy throw together, as a lot of baking recipes are. It's just actually getting in the mindset of doing it that's the hard bit sometimes. Something I know all about this week because I'm actually recording this the day I'm hopefully going to be releasing it onto YouTube. It's been a big week. In a bowl, 1 cup of white flour, 1/4 cup wholemeal flour. I just use good old Pam stuff. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm probably putting slightly more than that in just because I like cinnamon. So the lighting in here has gone really weird, hasn't it? It's like really overexposed. 1/2 cup of sugar, and I say Weet-Bix, but you know, use the Pam's wheat biscuits or the just value brand, whatever, you know. 6 of those crushed into here. Then we want 2 cups of berries. I'm actually making this because my daughter had a cooking thing at school and she needed some frozen berries anyway, so about 2 cups worth. I've got some blueberries and I've also got some raspberries that were in the freezer from when our trees were producing prolifically. So I'm going to add about a cup of raspberries, a cup of blueberries, but you know, whatever you've got. Going to stir all that together. Just going to measure out 3 tablespoons of either butter or table spread, whatever way you roll, and I'm just going to melt that in the microwave. So I'm just going to add that into the mix along with 1 cup of milk and 1 egg. Stir all that together until it's mixed nice and thoroughly. Then we're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 190 degrees for about 30 minutes. Okay, these smell yummy. They're still slightly warm. I've let them cool down mostly. Yeah, pretty that looks. That looks so pretty. Yummy. I mean, what you can taste the cinnamon in there, but mostly it's the berries you can taste, especially using the combination of the blueberries, which kind of hold their shape, and the raspberries, which just broke up throughout the whole thing. That's a really yummy combo. No, they are really yummy. You know, with the wholemeal flour and the Weet-Bix in there, they're nice high fibre sort of thing. Great to pop in lunch boxes, whatever. There we go, awesome after school snack, which I'm sure that's what it will be today once the Gannets get back. So, there we go. Hit the like button, leave me a comment, subscribe, and we will catch you next week. Bye.